1-week dumbbell training plan for beginners shares with you how to use a pair of dumbbells to practice our whole body at home. Yesterday we taught you how to practice chest, and today we practice shoulders. First, we activate and warm up the rotator cuff, which can prevent injuries during training. For the above two movements, do 2 sets of each movement, 12 to 15 reps per set. The first formal movement, the dumbbell bent over fly, is relatively difficult to practice the posterior bundle of our shoulders, so we put it in the first movement. This movement mainly practices the posterior bundle of our shoulders and does 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps per set. The second movement is dumbbell press. If there is such a bench, it is better. If not, you can use a chair instead. This movement mainly practices the middle and anterior bundle of our shoulders for 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps per set. The third movement is dumbbell lateral raise. This movement mainly practices the middle bundle of our shoulders and then does 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps per set. When doing this movement, try not to bend over and swing your body, and control it as much as possible. Complete the fourth exercise, dumbbell front raise. This exercise mainly practices the key points of our shoulder anterior bundle. Like the lateral raise, try not to shake your body. Do 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps per set. Then we move on to the last exercise, Arnold press. This exercise will be particularly stimulating if used to finish. The weight does not need to be too heavy. You can also train your shoulders to do 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps per set. Friends who have dumbbells but don't know how to practice can quickly follow along.